Titan Medusa. Good fucking call. Orb Medusa Fox Titan Holo. We can check 1x first. Very, very OG craft. We will check the one from McSkillet. Aware. It's not too bad.
Holy, that's dark.
Yeah. I'll check the 4x. Yeah. LDLC Poseidon, good fucking call. One of my dream fucking skins. I may have DM'd the guy today and asked if it's for sale. Aware? I don't think I can buy it right now. It's too much. Boom. Not the worst. Not the worst. But it doesn't go as hard. Arrow, please inspect this in CSGO right now. I'll send you on Discord. Boom.
Aye.
Oh, this AK is so much nicer on CSGO. Oh! It may just be Siege, though. It may just be Siege, chat. Like, Siege has very, very, very perfect CSGO skins lighting. Stop shooting so fucking loud. Holy shit. No, 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 no. Okay, you're good, you're good, you're good. No shot. Too matte. Is it matte? Is that the right word? Maybe. Vulcan Titan. Good call, good call.
It looks like it's a sewer or something. Like a sewer biome in Minecraft.
Is sewer. Sorry. Sorry. Fox Titan Lola Vulcan. It still looks good. It still looks good. It's very chalky. Oh my god, that's the word, no? Chalky. Like chalk,
yeah.
You know? The thing that you use,
yeah.
the teachers use. Chalky. It may just be the map though. Like dust too. I don't know. What else, chat? Anything else? Fuck, I'm addicted to this, bro. This is like what skins will look like, you know? Wild Lotus Fox is true. A lot of people that really fucking love. A craft that a lot of people love. Let's see. It's so good.
Have you tried like highest floats and lowest floats?
No. Oh, that's still good. That's Reason Holo still clears. Jesus. That is nice. Didn't look as good on the M4 though. On the Asimov. That's not too bad. Hopshi, which ones? I'm gonna see number 1 pattern Talon knife blue gem. Pattern knife 55, one of my favorite knives. There's multiple max blue ones. This is my favorite one. Yeah. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. What else? Anything else, chat? Bayonet, Fire and Ice. Yeah, sure. Fire and Ices look really bad. Like I have a Karambit, best one basically, and it's just not good because the red looks really orange. See what I mean? What the fuck is this? Why is it so orangey?
Yeah, that's weird.
It's not
There's
bad.
not even any red.
But it's, yeah, it's fucking orange. Oh, Hopshi, calm down, bro. Hopshi, put a gen code in the chat. I'll check it. I want to check. Oh, Dignitas Golden Call. Good call. This is one of my favorite crafts.
ohnePixel, thanks for subbing.
Huh? What the fuck happened here? What happened to the eye? Huh? Is it?
It's like a monocle.
But why is it black in between? Does it not wrap around anymore? Check CSGO. Check CSGO. I swear it does wrap around in CSGO. Doesn't it? Boom. I sent it.
Oh, you can also... A good testing skin would also be like UMP back pause. But I'll try the golden coil.
What the fuck is this?
Dignitas.
Nah, bruh. This is how the skins are gonna look when CS2 is fully out. I hope not. I hope not.
Pause the share. It's loading. Thinks I'm a bot. Oh, you sent it. There you go.
Yeah,
Oh
Buddha,
my God,
it wraps
so
around, you
small.
see? It wraps around.
Could you please check
I've
Wait, no,
seen-
it's not even there. Look at the positioning, it's so different. God bless you, Arrow. God bless you again.
Thank you.
Did you see? The positioning is so different. That's why everything feels so weird. What is this position? Why is it there? Look! It doesn't even touch the thing in CSGO. What are you doing, Dignitas?
No.
What is this? God bless you, X3.
Thank you.
One more and I perma-mid you. It's so annoying. I'm just kidding. That's crazy, chat. 4x Vox, Wasteland Rebel. Good call, good call. Let me see.
Oh no.
Arrow.
Oh no.
I have the mute button ready. Hold it in.
Oh no.
Hold it in, Arrow. You can do it.
Goodbye, chat. No, it's gone.
Don't do it. Good, 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 good. AK Wasteland. Oh, ha, I forgot about this one. This one got scammed at one point. Where? Why are you laughing about that? Why is that funny? Looks kind of weird. Why? What the fuck? I don't know about this one. That's kind of ass. The colors look washed out. Like right here. What is this? What is this? In CSGO, it's so like vibrant. Ooh, I want to check this one. AK headshot. LGB holo. I think this one is alright.
Oh,
in
a
CS:GO.
self-scam.
What is it?
Self-scam. LGB hollow.
I don't get it.
Oh, you have Vox?
Oh, fuck me.
Look.
It's mid in CSGO, and I think it's also mid in CS2. I wanna check the fucking OG, where my love for the luminosities got absolutely originated. Love at first sight, literally. Show it in CSGO first, Arrow. Show it in CSGO, and I see what I'm missing out on. Oh man, I'm already pissed. I'm already pissed. I'm already tilted. Right here. Man.
It's okay, man. They'll fix it. They'll fix it.
I think the person doesn't work there anymore. I'm not even kidding.
Valve servers appear to be offline.
Just
Okay.
keep trying. Just keep trying.